To set up an Echeck payment method, start by understanding what an Echeck is. An Echeck, also known as an electronic check, is a type of payment that allows you to pay bills or make purchases online by transferring funds directly from your checking account. The first step to set up an Echeck payment method is to gather the necessary information. You will need your checking account number and your bank's routing number. The routing number is a 9-digit code that identifies your bank and can be found at the bottom of your checks or on your bank's website. Next, go to the website of the company or merchant you want to pay and look for the Echeck payment option. This option may be listed as Echeck, electronic check, or bank draft. Click on this option to begin the setup process. You will then be asked to enter your checking account information, including your account number and routing number. Make sure to enter this information accurately to avoid any errors or delays in processing your payment. After entering your account information, you may be asked to verify your identity. This can be done by answering security questions or by receiving a verification code sent to your phone or email. Once you have completed the setup process, your Echeck payment method will be active and you can use it to make payments online. Keep in mind that Echeck payments may take a few days to process, so be sure to plan ahead and make your payments in a timely manner. It is also important to note that not all merchants accept Echeck payments, so be sure to check with the company you want to pay before setting up an Echeck payment method. Additionally, be sure to review the terms and conditions of the Echeck payment method to understand any fees or limitations that may apply. By following these steps, you can easily set up an Echeck payment method and start making online payments directly from your checking account. This payment method is convenient, secure, and can help you avoid the hassle of writing and mailing paper checks.